Hello, I'm Don McIlvaney. I'm from America but live in the Philippines with my wife. We've been coming to Tree of Life for several years now and getting excellent treatment. The staff is wonderful. Mom Myrna is incredible. The detoxing and the cleansing we've done here and the various therapies we've done here have made my wife and I feel so much better. I had some gastrointestinal problems and some back and neck problems and so forth, and all of these things have really improved since we started coming here. So we're very happy with the staff, the people, the treatment, the various therapies that they have here, including the swimming pool, which is a wonderful swimming pool. So we love it here, and we will definitely come back.